Hello and welcome. We often say that the two pillars of a high-performance workplace are continuous improvement and respect for people. It's the creative ideas of people that make continuous improvement possible. And it's only through good teamwork, born from mutual respect between people, that we can turn our good ideas into reality. However, when people want to help each other out, sometimes it's hard or even impossible because our jobs require technical knowledge or specialized skills. We need a way to identify and develop skills that enable teamwork and cooperation. Fortunately, instituting cross-training can help teams and organizations accomplish this. In simple terms, cross-training is the practice of helping people develop the skills to perform not only their own job, but several different jobs. Often, this means being able to perform tasks outside of their normal responsibilities. For example, an organization may cross-train people who normally work on the billing and collection teams to perform each other's tasks. There are many benefits to cross-training, but the purpose or business need will vary by situation. A good customer-focused reason for cross-training is flexibility. Customer needs and tastes can change rapidly, so we need the flexibility to change the mix and volume or the products and services we provide to customers. Developing a multi-skilled team ensures that we have backup for when people leave the company or are absent. Cross-training helps organizations get better at training new employees. Also, when we have chronic quality or safety issues, part of the solution often involves cross-training people in correct methods. Many production-type processes improve quality, cost, and on-time delivery by working in a smooth flow. For example, a series of process steps may be arranged in a flow as a one-person operation at normal levels of customer demand. If demand doubles, this becomes a two-person operation. When demand peaks at 4 times the normal rate, 4 people are needed to staff the line. Often there are handoff zones like in a relay race, and team members rotate through different zones during the day. This requires that each person can perform some or all of the process steps that come immediately before or after their process. Cross-training also plays a key role in deepening technical knowledge in an organization. For example, in TPM, or Total Productive Maintenance, cross-training helps develop operators who are capable of doing daily autonomous maintenance tasks, such as inspecting, cleaning, and lubricating their machines. This allows maintenance staff to do more advanced and preventive care of machines. Cross-training also helps team members understand and appreciate each other's jobs. When we walk a mile in someone else's shoes, we understand their experience. Getting a clear idea of what someone's job entails on a day-to-day basis allows us to better meet the needs of our internal customers. This also builds teamwork. Although the specific reasons for pursuing cross-training may differ between organizations, there's a common set of tools and instruction methods we can use. These include the training timetable to plan our cross-training efforts, the job instruction 4-step approach to practical training, and the skills matrix for visually tracking our progress. Another benefit of cross-training that is often overlooked is that it helps us build more reliable processes. It does this by requiring teams to evaluate their process steps, clarify ambiguous instructions, and remove difficult or dangerous conditions. In summary, cross-training helps organizations build a continuous improvement culture by developing its people, enabling its team members to respond flexibly to customer needs, and to help each other out when needed. That wraps up our review of the practice of cross-training. We'll see you soon.